Well, welcome to this new episode of Leaders Corner, and we are looking at principle number 18, quality number 18 in this book by John Maxwell, 21 Qualities of Great Leaders. Can you believe it, eh? 18, we're nearing the end. And we're talking about self-discipline. Maxwell says, and he's right, that the first person you need to lead before you lead others is yourself. So great leaders understand that. They understand that unless they are able to be disciplined to lead themselves, they will not be able to lead others. It takes a lot of self-discipline and courage to be able to lead oneself. Plato, who's a Greek philosopher, said the most beautiful and great victory you'll ever win is over yourself. If you look at the world, you'll see many leaders who would not make it to the top, who would not achieve great things, despite the fact that they had great education, great opportunities, great capacities, simply because they were not able to discipline themselves. They fell on things, very, very short and small things. They were slave to some of their own emotions, some of their own emotions and attractions. So great leaders understand that they ought to lead themselves. And auto-discipline is a great quality of those who make the world work. Are you self-disciplined?